How to fix sending message field in Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can fix message not send issue on Instagram. Now if you are unable to send message on Instagram to a particular contact or to a particular person or user, what you can do is for that to fix it. Let's say that if you are able to send messages to other users, but for that particular person you're unable to send the messages. So what you can do is, in order to fix it, first of all you must be trying to send a message to a person who holds a business account. So if you're trying to send message to a person who actually holds a business account, then it's actually not possible because they must have enabled some certain restrictions such as age limitation and all that. So for that, what you can do is you can go ahead and verify your age. For that, you can just go to your profile and you can just change your age. So right on this page you can just go ahead and verify your age, stating that you're actually 18 plus or maybe 20 plus. After you've done verifying your age, and then you'll be able to send messages to that particular user. Step number 2 is if you're unable to receive any sorts of messages on Instagram. For that case as well, you must have by mistakenly enabled business account. In order to disable it, or if you already have a business account and you cannot see response, then what you can do is you can go to your profile, tap on the tab bar icon from the top right hand side and go to settings and privacy. Right on this page you need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see for professionals. So tap on business tools and control. Underneath you'll have multiple options, so right in between there's the option as minimum age. Tap on it. As you can see, by default you've selected the minimum age required in order to message you or to send a message. So you need to disable it or to remove it and tap on the tick icon. So as soon as you've done this, you'll start receiving messages on Instagram. So these were some of the methods on how you can fix your Instagram message sending issue not working. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.